Hello, guys. Happy Monday. Guess what? This is going to be the last week that any new assignments will be given. So it's pretty exciting. And I had your grades updated as Friday, I think it was Friday night. So anything turned over this weekend, I haven't graded yet, but I'll get that graded. Also, I put in the World War II test. I need to put in your WHO projects, and then we'll also put your Vietnam projects in your grade as well. So I have the WHO projects I'll probably put in today sometime, and then and finish grading any missing work. You really want to make sure that you have taken the tests, the assessments, because it's 80% of your grade. So make sure you haven't taken a test, that you do that, and shoot me an email or a message on Canvas when you get that done. So I know I need to go in and put in that score, and that helps me keep track of that, because Mastery Connect and Canvas don't send me an email when a new test is taken. So that will be great. So this week, last week of assignments, and then then the next week, after Memorial Day, it's going to be like a makeup missing work kind of thing. And hopefully, maybe we can have a team Zoom call is what I'm hoping to plan sometime too. So hopefully you'll be looking for that. What you're going to be doing today, you're going to do the nuclear war controversy assignment. So when you click on that, it'll bring you to this assignment. Now looking at this assignment, you're going to go to this interactive timeline. And you're going to find some things that happen on different dates. So let me show you how to work this website, because the timeline's a little bit different. Okay, so here's the Down Wonders of Utah archive. And then here is the timeline right here. You can expand the timeline, which makes it easier to read, unless you're like reading like teeny tiny things. Okay, so I click on expand, and then you can move the timeline as you go through here, and then you can click on that and it will show you more information. So let's say that we're going to, the first one you have to find, January 27th, 1951. So going over here to January, was 1951? Yep, 1951. So I'm looking for January. Oh, was that it? Oh, that's January 11th. Which one do we need? 27th. So it would be the next one in here. I'm going to click expand the timeline a little bit more. January 27th, 1951. So there's a little animation. That will be fun to watch. So you can click on this animation and see an airdrop test going on. So that's fun. But going back to this website, you're going to don't copy and paste, because that's like a lot of work. Just write down what happened. So they did a testing of atomic weapons. So that is what you would come here and you would write. Okay, and then you'd go to 1955. Oh, that was a little bit clicked on. So now we're going to go away. So scroll, lots of scrolling. Okay, until you get to where it says 1955. And it might be, if I collapse it, it might be a little bit easier to get through the dates there. Yeah, there's 1952. Okay, and then go through and find 1955. 1954. Oh, there you go, 1955. And then I can go back and expand. Oops. Click expand timeline. Okay. All right, and that's how you can get through this assignment. Then I think the last question, so there's things, and then this is more you kind of putting together information that you got from the timeline. Okay. All right. I hope you guys have a great day and happy Monday, and we'll see you out there.